Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. Now click open. And here you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions, and you have to allow this application to display over other apps and then click back. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your widget, and if you want to remove him from your desktop, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.